Kalighat painting is a distinctive Indian folk art style that emerged in 19th century Kolkata, near the famous Kalighat temple. Known for its bold lines, vivid colors, and deeply expressive figures, this art form reflects the everyday lives, beliefs, and even hypocrisies of society. Over time, Kalighat painting has carved out a lasting legacy, not just through its aesthetic appeal, but through the sharp storytelling it brought to scroll and canvas. Kalighat paintings drew inspiration from the older tradition of Patachitra, an ancient Indian art form widely known across the subcontinent. Patachitra artists were skilled scroll painters who created vivid, portable artworks on cloth, called patas, to aid in storytelling. Traveling from village to village, they would narrate tales from sacred texts and epics, using these illustrated scrolls as visual companions to their performances. Kalighat paintings often served as a mirror to society, highlighting themes of hypocrisy, corruption, and social tensions of the time. The artists captured everyday life, portraying popular local figures with striking honesty. British colonial officials were also frequently depicted, often with satire and critique, giving Kalighat art a bold and distinctive voice. Beyond religious subjects, these paintings explored secular themes and even echoed the spirit of India's growing freedom struggle. Kalighat temple is important for Hindu people. According to traditional Hindu scriptures, goddess Sati burnt herself alive in the fire after fighting with her father over not being welcomed for puja. Lord Shiva was angered and placed the body of goddess Sati on his shoulder. He started playing out the Tandava dance. The deities from paradise became alarmed and scared. They requested that Lord Vishnu should mediate and calm the situation down. Lord Vishnu then cut the body of goddess Sati into a few pieces, and those pieces tumbled down on earth. It is said that Kalighat is where the toes of the right foot of goddess Sati fell. Goddess Kali is one of the most revered and powerful deities in the Hindu pantheon. Worshipped as both protector and destroyer, she embodies fierce compassion and divine justice. Devotees from across India and around the world travel to seek her blessings. Her iconography is striking. She is often depicted with 3 intense eyes, 4 arms, and a long, protruding tongue. Only by surrendering the ego, it is believed, can one attain moksha, or spiritual liberation. Kalighat paintings weren't just decorative, they were commentaries on life, belief, and behavior. Let's take a closer look at the defining themes and motifs that shaped this bold and expressive art form. Hindu deities such as Kali, Durga, Lakshmi, and Krishna were central motifs in Kalighat paintings. These divine figures were brought to life with bold outlines, exaggerated features, and powerful expressions, capturing their strength, grace, and fury. Kalighat paintings often mocked British officials, missionaries, and Anglo-Indians, offering subtle criticism of colonial rule and its influence on Indian society and culture. Kalighat paintings often captured intimate glimpses of Bengali family life, married couples, daily chores, and emotional moments. Scenes of fish vendors, musicians, and traders reflected the vibrant, everyday life of 19th century Kolkata. Several factors led to the decline of Kalighat painting. During British colonial rule, Western artistic styles, like oil painting and realistic portraiture, gained popularity, especially among the urban elite. These European influences began to overshadow traditional Indian art forms. The rise of photography in the 19th century also contributed. With the growing craze for realistic portraits, painted scenes and figures, once central to Kalighat art, were gradually replaced. Kalighat paintings had originally flourished thanks to their connection with the Kalighat temple, sold as souvenirs to visiting pilgrims. But as pilgrimage patterns shifted and devotion spread to other temples, the demand for such localized art began to fade. Though the Kalighat tradition faded over time, its bold lines, fearless satire, and cultural soul still echo through the canvas of Indian art history. It wasn't just painting, it was protest, devotion, and storytelling, all in one stroke.